We are standing here in the lobby of the Louvre Abu Dhabi, the crossroads of Eastern and Western cultures, facing one of the most monumental and overwhelming installations created by contemporary art. This massive canvas unfolding before our eyes is the Funerals of Monna Lisa, Les Funérailles de Monna Lisa, completed in 2008 by the Chinese-French contemporary artist Yan Pei-Ming. Taking the form of a colossal triptych, this work completely dominates the air of the exhibition space, drawing viewers into a deep philosophical meditation on life, death, and the eternity of art. First, please pay attention to the aggressive and rough matière, texture, covering the canvas. Utilizing an action painting technique where he wields a massive mop-sized brush, the artist slashed and splattered black, white, and ash-gray paint across the canvas before it could even dry. This monochromatic Grisaille technique uses colors that strictly exclude any sense of vitality. Let us look at the center. There is the world's most famous Renaissance portrait, Leonardo da Vinci's Monna Lisa. However, she has lost the gentle smile we once knew. Yan Pei-Ming appropriated the Monna Lisa as a pop icon, endlessly reproduced and consumed in popular culture, and painted a single tragic tear on her cheek. He has created a chilling and unfamiliar image of mourning, where an artwork that has achieved eternal life paradoxically mourns the finite nature of human beings. Now, let us shift our gaze to the massive individual portrait on the right wall. This colossal figure, facing death with closed eyes, represents both the artist's deceased father and the artist himself acting out death. An interesting aspect is the inclusion of the artist's own skull scan images in this series. Much like an archaeological approach that unearths ancient remains to trace past lives, the artist borrows the imagery of modern medicine to preemptively excavate his own death. This is the moment when the Vanitas, or Memento Mori, remember you must die, still life paintings, popular in 17th century Dutch art, are perfectly resurrected in a contemporary way. The art historical status of this work was cemented by a historic event in 2009. This series entered the Denon wing of the Louvre Museum in Paris and was exhibited directly next to Da Vinci's original Monna Lisa. With this, Yan Pei-Ming became the first contemporary artist of Asian descent to hang his work in the Louvre. However, behind this achievement lies a sharp institutional critique. There was a long-standing unwritten rule in the Western art world. To have your work hung in the Louvre, the artist must be dead. Directing his aim at this arrogant authoritarianism, Yan Pei-Ming painted himself and his father as corpses on the canvas, enacting a brilliant irony where he metaphorically died and then entered the Louvre while still fully alive.